Yesar Jaman belongs to Muslim, Malad. There are number of Hindu people, Malad. Hindus are there, Malad. Rajkumar, Malad Sharma is there, Malad. Lakshmi Kumari was there, Malad. But this Shobha Devi was there, Malad. All they are, Malad, the Samandhi, Malad. Malad, ये जो false जो statement ये जो दिए, Malad. That is what I am going to point out before my lord is. अगर ये false statement अगर मतलब complaint is basis on the basis of false statement affidavit करके अगर ये झूठ बोलते हैं before the court,
this court is not going to initiate any action, no.
मतलब affidavit will fight before my lord is. This making this the false statement before the court, it's
yes. Now please try and understand what had happened.
Yes, madam.
Now, before the order was dictated in open court, but
yes,
before it could be signed, you made an application that the IA has not been disposed of.
Yes, madam.
So we directed the order to be kept in abeyance till the time your interlocutory application. Therefore, the order has not been.
Yes, madam.
So you perhaps gave an impression, you never wanted to, but you gave an impression that the order has been signed, but it has not been uploaded.
No,
the order was directed not to be uploaded for the reason that we needed to dispose of the IA along with this.
Yes,
all right. Yes.
Madam, making this perjury before the court is not only affected, madam.
That's right. You show.
Yes, madam, the statements where the statements been falsely, yes, the false statement have been made, madam.
Yes.
If madam kindly takes up the complaint, madam, kindly takes up the complaint which I have been annexed in my bail application, madam, as.
No. Tell us the statement made,
yes,
by
yes,
the informant here in this court.
Madam, this the counter affidavit been filed before my lord by the respondent number 3, madam.
Yes.
Which has been before my lord is. I'm taking my lord one by one, madam.
Yes.
If my lord takes up the complaint which has been lodged before the economic offence being filed.
Show me from here. Complaint we'll see later.
Madam.
The complaint is not before this. Complaint is not before this court.
Yes, madam.
You are asking for initiation.
Yes, madam. The affidavit. Madam, Annexa B of the counter affidavit, madam. Annexa B, page number 20, madam.
This counter affidavit by Muhammad Kaisar Jamal.
Yes, madam. May I read, madam?
Just.
Internal page 10, madam.
Yes.
Annexa B.
Yes.
प्रासंगिक आवेदन में, madam.
Yes.
Because I'm.
I will read it myself.
I can, madam. प्रासंगिक आवेदन में मैं सूचक मोहम्मद केसर जमाल पिता मोहम्मद जहीर निवासी ग्राम पोस्ट सरमसपुर थाना महनार जिला वैशाली माननीय न्यायालय से निवेदन पूर्व कथन करता हूं कि जमानत आवेदक राकेश श्रीवास्तव ने अपने जमानत आवेदन के साथ 3 डेबिट वाउचर्स क्रमश दिनांक 7/9/2016, दिनांक 14/5/2017 एवं 12/11/2017 की तिथि का प्रति संकलन किया है, जिस पर राशि प्राप्त करता है रूप में मेरा हस्ताक्षर होना बताया है। श्रीमान को आग्रह पूर्वक सूचित करता है कि उक्त हस्ताक्षर मेरा नहीं है, मानद नहीं मेरा उक्त हस्ताक्षर किया है राकेश श्रीवास्तव द्वारा मेरा हस्ताक्षर जाली बनाया गया है, जिसका सूचना मैं श्रीमान को दे रहा हूं। मैं तथा मेरे संबंधी 5,16,000 रुपए सादा प्लेजर एंड एडवेंचर के पास जमा कर चुका हूं, जिसका रसीद मालक मेरे पास है। मालक रसीद किसके पास होता है? मालक नंबर 1 एजेंट के पास रसीद होते हैं। मैं और मेरे संबंधी यानी मालक येसर जमान बिलोंग्स टू मुस्लिम मालक काइंडली सी द लिस्ट मालक। There are number of Hindu people, Hindus are there, Malad. Rajkumar, Malad Sharma is there, Malad. Lakshmi Kumari was there, Malad. This Shobha Devi was there, Malad. All they are, Malad, the Samandhi, Malad. In their complaint, what they have made. Right. Yes, Malad.
Kindly read that statement again for you to be satisfied at page 11. Malad. The third line, the second line. From the top.
जिसकी रसीद मेरे पास है, then continuation वाला, जिसके मैंने अनुसंधान कर्ता को दिया हूँ, मैं और मेरे संबंधी ने
मैं और मेरे संबंधी के अलावे,
हाँ।
ऐसा सुनिए ना आप, वो
बहुत
ग्राउंड में
लोगों का
के
पैसा
अलावे बहुत लोगों का पैसा राकेश श्रीवास्तव गबन कर चुके हैं, जो करीब जो जंदाहा ब्रांच से ही करोड़ों रुपया गबन किया गया।
Yes, my lord.
और भी बहुत लोगों की चर्चा है,
Yes,
नीड
my
नॉट
lord.
नेसेसरीली बी माउंटेन्स।
नो माय लॉर्ड, और जो बहुत लोगों की जो चर्चा है, ही इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक अबाउट अ व्हाट, जो बहुत लोगों की है, व्हाट इज कंप्लेंट माय लॉर्ड, मैंने करोड़ों लोगों का गबन किया है माय लॉर्ड, नॉट मेरा और बाकी संबंधियों का माय लॉर्ड।
340 का मैटर नहीं है ना
माय लॉर्ड, 340 का मैटर बन रहा है माय लॉर्ड। आई एम गोइंग टू शो माय लॉर्ड द नेक्स्ट द स्टेटमेंट बिफोर अस। मतलब ये तो लर्नेड लोअर कोर्ट बिलो में दिया हुआ द स्टेटमेंट्स है। मतलब इफ माय लॉर्ड काइंडली टेक्स अप 164 स्टेटमेंट, माय लॉर्ड 164 स्टेटमेंट।
Ms. Mukherjee, we are not trying to cut you short. You have come from outside. We will give you all opportunity of argument.
मतलब
But see, why? What would I do with that 164 statement?
मतलब ये जो फॉल्स जो स्टेटमेंट ये जो दिए माय
That's
दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू पॉइंट आउट बिफोर माय लॉर्ड इज, अगर ये फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट, अगर मतलब कंप्लेंट इज बेसिस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट, एफिडेविट करके अगर ये झूठ बोलते हैं बिफोर द कोर्ट,
this court is not going to initiate any action. No.
मतलब एफिडेविट विल फाइल बिफोर माय लॉर्ड इज before this court, my lord.
That's, you have read Marwa's case with respect
Yes,
to
yes,
340 and 195.
Yes, my lord.
Check the position of law again. This would not fall within 195 1B read with 340.
Yes, my lord.
Absolutely.
I'm going to show, my lord.
We are absolutely clear in our mind, Ms. Mukherjee. You can.
My lord, there is, my lord, H is very.
You do one thing.
Yes, my
This is an advisory from the bench. You keep this energy reserved. Now, once charge sheet is submitted against you, and you challenge the order of any court if the charge sheet is acted upon, and thereafter you could initiate this proceeding. But as of now, when I am only hearing the bail application and the order which I had dictated on the last occasion, which I have not signed for you to complete your arguments with respect to IA, which has been filed in this petition only, the only convenient answer for any lawyer would be that is not the basis for the court to decide whether your application should be allowed or your application should be rejected. Now, in this case, it is no document which has been forged or any wrong statement having
Yes,
been
my lord.
made.
The false statement being made in 164, my lord. There are
164 is
contradiction.
not made before this court, no.
No, my lord, that was been affirmed before by way of filing counter affidavit, my lord. They have annexed.
That way, every case. You see, therefore, I have asked you to read Marwa's case. I don't remember the citation. It is of 1988. Ved Prakash Marwa versus so-and-so. Now, there you will find the logic of proscribing the powers of the court or the authority of a complainant or the other side of coming up with this accusation of furnishing false evidence. Otherwise, no suit and no criminal case and no writ proceeding would continue, and every statement which ultimately is not relied upon or found to be false would invite an action by way of complaint by the court. Now, if at all you find that these are wrong statements, you have various other options, but it will not stricto sensu fall under the offense of 195 1B or 192 193 of the IPC, 195 1B of the CRPC read with 340. This effort, Ms. Mukherjee, I must tell you, it is out of question. Take it, I mean, try and trust the bench. The position of law that I am telling you, you need to just check it up again. It's not done. Now what I do is that I give you an observation that should you surrender before the court below, all these grounds shall be taken into account and you shall, the order shall be passed without.
My lord, that inquiry should be made before, my lord.
That application you will have to file not now. Keep it, that's why